In last class, we have studied about perimeter and area of simple geometrical figures. So, in last class, we have studied what is perimeter and how to find perimeter of some geometrical figures. So, today, in this class, we will solve exercise 1.2. Observe the given figure here. Here, in this question they have given if its perimeter is 24 centimeter, then what is the length of the fourth side QS? So they have given one figure P, Q, R and S. So PQ they have given as 10 centimeter, PR they have given as 2 centimeter, RS they have given as 10 centimeter and QS we have to find here fourth side. So already we know how to find the perimeter. So now we have to find the fourth side which they have not given here. So to find this one, we have to add all the side given of the geometrical figure. So here 10 plus 2 plus 10. Ten plus 10 plus 2. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 2, 22 centimeter. So, three sides. They have given here four sides. One side they have not given. Fourth side we have to find. So, we have added these three sides. So, to find the fourth side, we have to subtract here. Perimeter minus sum of the three sides. So, perimeter how much they have given here? Perimeter is equal to 24 centimeter minus sum of three sides. What we have added, we have got answer as 22 centimeter. We have to subtract this one. 22 centimeter. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So, therefore, length of fourth side is equal to 2 centimeter. So see this second one example. We have given one geometrical figure here A, B, C, D, E. They have given 5 sides and 4 sides already they have given, and they have told us to find the other side, fifth side. So from A to E they have given 3 centimeter, E to B 4 centimeter, A to C 4 centimeter, C to D 8 centimeter, B, D they have not given. We have to find the length of this side. So as I told you in first example, we have to add all the sides given. So here we have to add 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Whatever answer we are getting, we have to subtract with perimeter. Perimeter and the side of this 4 side we have to subtract. So you have to solve this example as homework and you have to send me. So we will go for next example. So third one, they have given one geometrical figure K, L, M and N. In the figure, the length of one side is 7 centimeter. Only one side they have given as 7 centimeter. If all the sides are equal, then find its perimeter. So we know what is perimeter and how to find perimeter. Perimeter means length of all the sides is known as perimeter. So we have to find, only they have given one side here. One side 7 centimeter means all the sides are equal they have said. So that means MN will be 7 centimeter, NK will be 7 centimeter, KL will be 7 centimeter. All the sides, four sides are 7 centimeter. That means we can easily find now perimeter of this geometrical figure. So we will solve perimeter equal to KL plus LM plus MN plus NK. So all sides are equal, means that means all the sides are 7 cm. KL will be 7 cm plus LM will be 7 cm plus MN 7 cm plus NK 7 cm. Now we have to add this one. 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 7 28 cm. I hope you have understood this exercise 1.2. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in comment section. And please solve the homework which I have given in this video. After solving the homework, you can send me answer in comment section.